Fact 23. Jamaicans, we dominate at the Carifta Games. Yes, we are Carifta Games champions. We have been dominating for years now and even world record holders. Yes, my dear, at this Carifta Games that we had here in 2022, we got 45 gold medals and 92 total medals in all. We have seen Usain Bolt coming out of Carifta and Veronica Campbell-Brown. Yes, our famous sprinters and record holders. Yes, and so Jamaica, we continue to dominate in almost anything we enter. We're proud of them. We're proud of them a lot. Big up Jamaica. Happy Independence, Jamaica. And thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?